Hello, welcome back to my channel. It is Amanda. Today I am here with an unboxing video. I currently don't have any subscription services, and I got an email last month from BoxyCharm and it said, come back, get this free gift, get these 2 items in your box. And I was like, both of those items are things that I have been wanting to purchase, but I hadn't. And they were both well over the cost of what the BoxyCharm Premium would be. So I thought, okay, we'll do it for the 1 month and then we'll move on. So I signed up and I had no option to choose anything. And it said, oh, choice for February was in January, so you'll get to choose for March. And I thought, I've just been bamboozled because there's no way I'm going to get both of these items in my box, which is what the email strongly suggested that I would be getting. And I've seen several unboxings for the February box, and no one has gotten both of the items that I saw in that email. So we're going to see what's in here. I hope I wasn't bamboozled. Let's open it. Oh, I need scissors. Alright, I'm going to use this little table as a footstool. Oh gosh, the scissors are dull. Okay. Oh, I did get a free gift for resubscribing. It was... I can't actually remember what it was. I had a choice between 2 things, and I feel like it was an eyeshadow palette, but I don't remember. Oh yeah, it's right on top. It was an eyeshadow palette. The theme for this month is Glamentine, and I'm going to try not to look at the rest because, you know. But the free gift for resubscribing is an eyeshadow palette, and it's from Illamasqua. And I haven't tried any makeup from Illamasqua in years. The thing that I'm most familiar with from Illamasqua is their nail polish, and I don't think they make their nail polish anymore. So, I think the only thing that I've tried previously was a lipstick that I got in a Nipsey bag, and their blushes. I tried a few of their blushes. I remember the blush Katie, which was like a cult classic, ultimate favorite of everyone on YouTube, I think, like way back in the day. But I don't think they make that color anymore. Kind of funny because, this is a side note, I use the Shoplist website for linking my products and my YouTube videos. You know, those links are affiliated links, so if you click on that link, I make literally like 3 cents. Thank you if you use it, but I don't make tons of money from them. I'm sorry, if you click on that link and purchase something. But brands can also message you on that platform, which is really nice. And Illamasqua messaged me a couple weeks ago, and they're like, we'd like to create a discount code for your viewers. Like, it's an affiliated code, and this is the code. And I thought, that's so nice. I don't think I've ever linked an Illamasqua product that they would know how to find me. I do have an Illamasqua discount code, apparently. I'll put it in the description box. I think it's like 25% off. Anyway, this is called the Unveiled Artistry Palette. Oh, it's cute. Oh, it's kind of concave on the sides and the bottom. It has soft touch packaging. It's very neutral. But I will try this simply because I haven't ever tried Illamasqua eyeshadows. So it's a nice free gift. I don't know the value of this, so I'll have to look that up. I feel like I was looking on their website and it was like some of the palettes were kind of pricey. Now I'm gonna reach in because if I remember from BoxyCharm, nothing is like, you know, it's all in a box packaged nicely, but it's not like wrapped up. So I'm gonna reach in because I want to be surprised. I don't want to have been bamboozled. No one wants to be bamboozled. The first thing is Vike Gentle Oil-Free Makeup Remover Spray with Skincare Actives Makeup Melt. I feel like I've heard of this brand. Where have I heard of this brand? I must have gotten like a sample in something else. So you just spray directly onto dry skin. For eye makeup removal, apply to closed eyes, massage in gentle circular motions with hands, rinse with water. But I don't know why that freaks me out. But I'm willing to try it. Have I used this before? I don't know. So that's the first thing. Next we have the Ooma Beauty Badass MF Matte Filler Lip Liner in the color Angelo. I've never tried anything from Ooma Beauty. I've tried things from Ooma Beauty by Sharon C, the brand that's available at Walmart, but I've never tried anything from the actual Ooma brand. And this is a beautiful lip liner color. I will use this. It's a wooden pencil. This is a very Amanda color. Fairly neutral lip liner. Alright. Ooh, okay, so this is one of the things that I saw in the email that I wanted to try, and this is the Dime Beauty Eyelash Boost Serum. And this is one of those things that I would never purchase because I would never purchase it, but I've seen so many people talk about Dime Beauty and I want to try it. Even though I still haven't used the e.l.f. eyelash serum that's been in my monthly makeup basket for the last 2 months, maybe I'll use this one. It's a pretty hefty package. I feel like this is like a $45 serum too. It's definitely not the most expensive eyelash serum, but it's not e.l.f. prices. So you use this, I think you use it morning, okay, apply nightly to the base of the upper and lower lashes. Continue using to maintain the condition and appearance of your lashes. Once desired results are achieved, apply every other day if a mild tingling sensation occurs. That's why that freaks me out. I don't want tingling eyes. But I have heard people say that if you use this, it takes a little longer to notice a difference, but you have to continuously use it. You can't just, like, your eyelashes. How would that work though? Your eyelashes aren't going to get, I don't really know how it works, okay? I don't know. But I'm going to try it. See what the other things are. What is this? This is something from Moonlit. I've never heard of Moonlit. Primed for the Night eyeshadow primer. Okay. It's pretty packaging. That doesn't matter. It's just nice. Oh. Is it a stick? Oh no. Oh, it's like a, okay. Oh, okay. Smells like eyeshadow primer. This is interesting. You know how I feel about eyeshadow primer and my beloved Milani. It is the best. I'm guessing this is, you know, definitely more than Milani pricing. I would kind of hope, since it's on a BoxyCharm. I'm gonna guess that this is $23. But yeah, I'll try it. Oh, okay. This is something from Kristoff Robin, which I've never heard of, but I feel like this is a pretty expensive brand. I mean, I've never tried. I've heard of it, but I've never used anything. This is the Instant Volumizing Leave-In Mist. Wait, now you're speaking my language. With rose water. Uplifted roots and fuller lengths. Oh, I don't care about that. Oh, part of it is in like French. Okay. This lightweight mist produces a volumizing veil so roots look lifted and lengths appear denser. Thin, fine, or flat hair, 2 of the 3 of those, feels thicker and full of body, while the natural hold it delivers makes it quicker and easier to style. Apply on dry or damp hair. Shake before use, so you don't have to blow dry your hair, because I am so lazy. Oh, and it smells like, oh, it smells like roses. Ooh, okay, I'm pretty excited to try this. And as I mentioned, I feel like this is an expensive brand, so I'm gonna guess this is maybe like a $38 hair mist. I have no idea. Okay, I have no idea. Yes! I was not, you guys, I was not duped. I'm so excited! Okay, so this is the other thing that was listed in the email. You know, sorry for thinking that you would bamboozle me. Okay? This is the Huda Beauty, the box is falling. Hold on. Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, and I've just seen so many beautiful looks with this, and so many people love this palette, and I haven't ever tried a full-size Huda Beauty palette. I've tried the little 9 pans, and they're fine, but it wasn't anything that I thought was amazing. But I've heard that the formula on this is just fabulous. So excited. I'm so excited. Also, is anyone in the world more beautiful than Huda Katan? It's like not even fair. Ooh, oh, it's so pretty. I'm so excited. I am so excited. This was a great box, okay? Great box. I'm so excited to try a full-size Huda palette. And these colors are box. I just love it. I'm excited. Okay. This retails for $67. I know this has been on sale. I think it's Sephora. I don't know if it still is. But the full price retail value of this palette is $67. The Dime Beauty Eyelash Serum is $44. The Kristoff Robin Volume Mist, $39. Didn't I say $38? Dang it. The Moonlit Makeup Primed for the Night Primer is $18. I think I said 23, so I was a little over on that. The Vike Beauty Makeup Melt is $24. And then the Ooma Beauty Lip Liner is $16. Okay, so let me do some fast math here. You don't want me to do this in my head. It's not cute. So the retail value of this box, not including the free gift for resubscribing, is $208. I feel like that's a really, I mean, I know that you can get these things on sale and stuff and whatever. I feel like that's an accurate retail value. I know that Huda palettes regular price are $67 and all of that. I'm actually very happy with this box. I'm so excited to use these two things, and I'm so glad that these are both in here. Yes, yes, so excited. If you guys got the February box, or if you still get BoxyCharm, let me know what you got in your box this month. It's been so long since I've had BoxyCharm. They've done all of it a little bit differently now, and I guess like this, they don't even have the same owners. I didn't know that. I don't know. I always liked watching Joe's videos, like trying to like find the sneak peeks and stuff. I thought he was kind of funny. I don't know why he's not there anymore. Hopefully he's not a horrible person. I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, I'm very excited to try everything in here. Have you tried any lash serums? Are they terrifying? I don't have sensitive eyes, but like just stuff on my eyes, you know? Thank you guys so much for watching. I will put the Illamasqua code in my description box. So if you do need anything from Illamasqua's website, I think it's 25% off code. It was like a nice code. It's 20 or 25%. I'll put that in there. If you do use that code, it is affiliated and I earn a small commission from those. Thank you so much. And that's it. I'm excited to use this baby. It's so pretty. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you in my next video.